Hello, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Bybit, and how to trade futures in a really simple way. If you sign up through the link below this video, you can get a 20% discount on trading fees and rewards, so I recommend joining through the link. First, let's start with how to sign up for Bybit. Click the link below the video, and the Bybit sign up screen will appear. Enter your email address or phone number. For the password, you need at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number, with a minimum of 8 characters. Make sure the referral code INT777 is entered, because that's how you'll receive the 20% fee discount and rewards. Click Get My Welcome Gifts. Slide to complete the puzzle. Then, a verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Enter the code, and your Bybit sign-up will be successfully completed. Next, in order to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Bybit, you'll need to complete KYC identity verification. Since face verification is required, let's continue on mobile. Download and open the Bybit app on your mobile phone. Log in with the ID you just created on PC. To start the identity verification, tap Verify Now. For country of residence, select Russia. Check the box below to agree. And then choose an ID type: passport, driver's license, residence, or ID card. Take photos of the front and back of your ID, aligning it with the camera frame. Now you need to complete face verification. Follow the on-screen instructions for a few actions. After submission, the verification will be reviewed, usually about an hour, and once approved, your identity verification will be complete. Next, let's set up Google Authenticator. Go back to the PC screen. On the left side, click Account and Security. Click Google Two-Factor Authentication and Settings. Enter the verification code sent to your email, and the Google Authenticator setup pop-up will appear. Now, install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile phone. Open the app once it's installed, tap the button at the bottom right, then select QR code. Scan the QR code shown on your PC screen. Now a 6-digit code under the name Bybit will be generated. Enter this 6-digit code into the Bybit input field. Click Confirm. You'll see that Google Authentication has been successfully set up. Second, let me show you how to deposit into Bybit. At the top menu of the Bybit home screen, click Buy Crypto. Then click Peer-to-Peer Trading. Peer-to-peer trading has 0 fees. To buy crypto, select Buy, and then select USDT. Compared to BTC or ETH, USDT offers the most favorable exchange rate. Next, choose RUB as the currency. For payment methods, there are various banks, but they are displayed differently. Local card Yellow Tinkoff Bank. Local card Greenspa Bank. Most people usually use local card Yellow. After selecting these options, a list of sellers will appear. Each seller is a real person. Since Bybit oversees all transactions, there's no need to worry about scams. However, it's best to choose a seller with over 100 trades completed, and a completion rate of 95–98% or higher. Select a seller and click Buy USDT. Let's try with 10,000 Russian rubles. The exchange rate is set slightly higher because, although the fee is free, you're actually buying USDT digital dollars through peer-to-peer, so the price is a little above market. But when you sell, it works the same, you'll sell at a higher rate as well. Choose local card Yellow as the payment method. Note that you can only deposit using a card in your own name. The seller's name and bank card number will appear. Open the Tinkoff app. Enter amount 10,000 Russian rubles. Confirm recipient name. Send the money. Then, on the Bybit screen, click Payment Completed. Click Confirm Payment. Once the seller confirms receipt, 119 USDT will be deposited into your wallet. At the top menu, go to Assets and Funding, and you'll see the USDT credited. Third, let's go over how to trade futures on Bybit. Before starting futures trading, you need to transfer funds from your funding wallet to your unified trading wallet. Go to your funding wallet and click Transfer. Select from Funding to Unified Trading. choose the coin you want to transfer, and enter the amount. Now the funds will appear in your unified trading wallet. Next, to trade futures, go to the top menu on Bybit and click Trade. Select Futures. This will take you to the futures trading screen. On the top left, tap the three lines to choose the coin you want to trade. On the right side, you'll see Trading Settings. Here you can select the margin mode. Isolated uses only part of your margin for the position. Cross uses all of your margin for the position. If you're new to futures trading, I recommend starting with isolated for safety. Next, set your leverage. For Bitcoin, leverage can go up to 100x. Higher leverage means higher profit potential, but also higher risk of liquidation, so choose carefully. Then choose the order type. Below, you'll see your available margin. Enter the amount you want to trade. Finally, choose your position. Long if you expect the price to rise. Short if you expect the price to fall. Once you enter a position, it will appear in the Positions section below. You'll see Entry Price, your entry price. Mark Price, current market price. Leak Price, liquidation price if reached, your position is closed. Click TPSL to set take profit and stop loss prices. To close a position, go to the Close By section. Enter the amount, then click Confirm. Your position will then be closed. So today we learned how to sign up for Bybit, deposit funds, and trade futures in a simple way. If you have any questions after watching, feel free to leave a comment. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.